Hello there, my friend. A quick tutorial on how to crop an image. So I'm in Pixlr. Pixlr, see here on the left top corner. And it's a free software. Of course, there's a paid version. I'm not even logged in. So let's see how that's gonna work because I don't know if I have a login. And let's do it. So open an image. Okay, and that's my image. And I want to crop it because I don't want this white stuff around it. So what do? This is the cropping tool. This little kind of diamond shape. Click on it and then adjust it to what I want. So I'm holding on to the corners and adjusting it. Make sure that, adjust it wherever you want to. And when you're happy with that, then click enter. So I just clicked enter on my keyboard and voila, and that's it. And I'll save it. I also want to suggest to you, if you're using this for your website, you're gonna have to watch how big the size of this picture is. So make sure that it's not humongous. So let's see when we save it. So it should be under 1 MB. Okay, so like 600-700 kilobytes would be just fine, or even less. And see, well, this is quite small, so it should be okay. Okay, so it's here, image width and image height. Look at that. If it has a number that's over 1,000, make it smaller. It's gonna readjust. So if I, let's say, see 924, if I put down, I don't know, 850, then automatically the height will readjust to that, so to keep the same dimensions. Okay, now the other one is the file name. I already named it. It's a little bit long, but you can please name your images with the keywords, and because that will help the search engines find, well, it will show up on the search results in the image files on the Google Images, and also on your landing page or any web page. It will help the search engines understand what that image is, because search engines do not read images. So if you don't name it and you don't put an alt tag too properly with the words that mean something, then the search engines will just go over it like there's nothing there, or will read image 00576, which means absolutely nothing. So those were extra little tips for you. Okay, so now we're ready to download, and you can choose your format. JPEG is just fine, JPEG or PNG, and download it and save it to wherever you save it. And that's it. That's how you crop an image, and hope it helps. Let me know. Bye bye.